Guys, what's up? It's Tashayla Wren. I'm back with yet another fabulous YouTube video for you guys. I am so excited because I'm going to Bali. I will be in Bali, Indonesia for a whole entire month, and I'm so excited to just be getting away from my day-to-day and embarking on such a adventure, such a dream destination, a place that I always wanted to travel to. I'm very excited. I just wanted to bring you guys along as I pack for this trip because I feel like some of the things that I do might be helpful if you're packing. I just wanted to show you guys some of the cool things that I bought. I got some cool packing cubes and some water filters, and I just wanted to share with you guys in case you wanted to take it on your trip. So here we go. So I'm just gonna start with what I have in my personal items bag. I have this travel select bag that I got from like a thrift shop. One of the first things that I like to have inside a personal item bag is like an electronics bag. Now this kind of has everything that I need for my flight and beyond. I have an international travel charger. I have a portable charger. Sometimes in the airplanes, like I can go to like a plane seat that doesn't have like the plug working, like the outlet working. So I like to keep a battery pack just to have with me. And even outside of the flight, you know, I kind of need a portable charger anyway. I have some headphones in there. I have a long cable for my iPhone. This is like a 10-foot one. I also have a tampon because why not? You just never know. This is just like the best because I can just like pull it out, grab my charger, and go. I love to keep a pack of tissues in my bag. I feel like this is just a need for me because I'm one of those people who always has a runny nose, so this is always going to be key. I do also have like a set of wet ones in here too. I think this is key. This is good if you want to clean the surface of the plane. If you want to do like a little Naomi Campbell thing, you kind of put this out and just kind of wipe everything down. Or if you just want to clean your hands after a meal, you don't feel like getting up because you have the window seat and you don't want to kind of reach over everyone, you could just like grab one of these things. I also keep my sleep mask here. The sleep mask is very important, especially on a long flight where you're going to be taking a nap or a long sleep. The next thing that I have is this little bag, and this has my contacts holder. So if I have my contacts on at the beginning of the flight, I kind of pop them in here. Or I don't wear them at all. Sometimes I just like to go to the airport with my glasses on so I can just skip that whole step. But I keep my case in there just in case. I have a bunch of PantyLiners. I was watching another YouTuber and she said like sometimes you can get sweaty down there. Ladies, we know how it goes. Like sometimes you just need to feel like you need to freshen up. And then I have like this diffuser. I never used this before, but it's a travel diffuser and has essential oils in it. So if you are feeling like you're getting motion sickness, you can kind of just like spritz this under your nose and then, I don't know, I've never used it before, but I'm guessing it works like any other diffuser would. I have this water filter. This is perfect because they say you can't trust water in other countries, especially I'm going to Bali, you can't drink the water. And then on top of that, in the airplane, you're not really supposed to drink the water either. I've heard some stories that that is the same water that they use like in the toilets and to like wash your hands and stuff. So I like to just make sure I have a filtered water bottle. And then I have another electronics bag just because I guess everything didn't fit in the first bag that I have. I don't know why I'm carrying two. It's the hoarder in me. I have another travel charger because why not? This is also great because it is a surge protector as well, so it's great to just have that extra barrier of safety. I have my hub for my laptop plugs, and this is great for if you have any SD cards or any other cables that need to plug into your laptop. I am going to be in Bali for a month, so I want to make sure that, you know, I have everything I need to still work efficiently and effectively. And I have my SD external drive. This is great for storing files while I'm away, and I kind of keep them all in this bag right here. The next thing that I have is a waterproof iPhone Pro Max case. This is gonna come in handy for when I want to do anything water related. I don't know if it could be submerged in water, but I can't swim anyway, guys, so I don't think I'm going to be doing any submerging stuff. But if I am doing something where water is like splashing, if I'm in a boat or something, I want to make sure that I have like a waterproof case. And then I have this little bag right here, and the beauty of this bag is that it carries all of my medicine in it. If you guys watch any of my other videos on travel, you would know that I tend to get sick during flights or in travel. So I like to keep some Tylenol in here. I like to keep my Airbourne, which is like a blast of vitamin C. And then I have some Pepto Bismol if I have any nausea, or if I experience any like diarrhea or food poisoning or anything stomach related really, I could kind of pop one of these chewables in and I'll be fine. But I like to keep this in my personal items bag because you never know if you're gonna be feeling like a little queasy or if you're gonna get a headache while you're on the plane. Also, I like to carry Dramamine. It's not in here now, but it will be. I'm gonna make sure I pack that. And the last thing that I have in my personal items bag is my laptop. Yes, I like to keep a laptop in my personal items bag just because when you're at TSA and you kind of have to take out your laptop, it's easier to just go, you know, get it out of your bag, pull it out, put it on the side, and 1, 2, 3. Usually I'm struggling trying to take my laptop out. I think that's really gonna work out for me this time. I have my carry-on bag. I never check my bags just because I know that they tend to lose things and I don't ever want my stuff to get lost. So I always just make sure that everything can fit in this suitcase right here. The first thing I like to do when packing my carry-on is to make sure I have packing cubes. I know some people don't think this works, but what I love about packing cubes is when you get to your hotel or your Airbnb, you can easily just like kind of live out of these things and everything is not everywhere. It kind of compacts things. I will put the link to where I got these packing cubes from below. I have these shoes, which I tend to put in first just to make sure that they fit because I can't go nowhere without some shoes. So I have some flip-flops in here that I got from a store called Call It Spring at the mall. And then I got some water shoes in case I want to go to any waterfalls in Bali. And I also kept this sarong inside this bag as well, just because I needed to, because there wasn't no space for this. It can be used for so many things. It could be used as a blanket. It could be used as a cover-up. It could be used as a pillow. There's so many uses for them. I really suggest getting a sarong if you're going to a tropical climate because it will definitely come in handy. The next bag I have is this bag right here. So there are 7 crop tops in here. I have 2 pairs of leggings. I have a pair of tropical pants. They have like little floral designs on them. And then I have about 2 t-shirts for bedtime. And then on the other side of the suitcase, I have yet again more packing cubes. I have 2 pairs of shorts, 3 bathing suits, a wraparound skirt, and another pair of pajamas, like just a pajama top. I also have this bathing suit bag. This is perfect for any wet items that you accumulate while you're traveling. You can also carry a plastic bag and put it in here, but I tend to find that buying like a bathing suit bag is a little bit more durable, and it's also very cute and tropical looking, so why not? I also have my bug wipes here. This is the bug repellent mosquito wipes by Repel. I highly recommend getting these because they work. I used them in Costa Rica and I only got bit 3 times, and that was only because I didn't use these wipes on the days that I got bit. I also have this set of microfiber towels. This is perfect because it's very lightweight and it dries fast. Whenever you're traveling, you don't want to accumulate moisture because that creates bacteria and it creates these smells that you don't want. So to get a fast drying towel is key. I also have some makeup wipes in here, perfect for traveling. You guys see I wear makeup. I'm trying not to wear too much makeup on the Bali trip just because it is a hotter climate, but I just like to keep these in case I also want to freshen up if I'm sweating throughout the day. I got a little umbrella. I am going during rainy season. And then I have another packing cube that has 2 dresses in it. One is a floral dress and one is like a white off the shoulder dress. So these are perfect just to have for those days where I want to have like a night out or where I just don't feel like putting an outfit together. In these pockets, there's 2 zippers in the front. I have a bar of soap, and I like to carry a bar of soap when I'm traveling because it doesn't count as a liquid, obviously. So I usually do use a shower gel when I'm at home, but when I'm traveling, I found that this is the easiest thing to do. And if you are concerned about like putting it away once you're done, you could just wrap it in a washcloth and kind of store it back inside your bag. So I always like to carry a plastic bag. I never know if I'm going to use it for any food shopping or just to store any wet shoes or just bathing suits. The next zipper, I have 2 packets of antibacterial hand wipes. These are perfect for after you eat. These are good for if you're on the plane and you just want to wipe everything down as well. But what I love about these is that they are not considered a liquid because they are on like these little wipies. Then I have a razor, which I like to really bring in case I do want to do any shaving. I am going to try to get some waxing done while I'm in Bali, but in case I just want to shave, this is always great. And then I have a lock. This is great for if you're staying at a hostel and you want to lock up your suitcase. A lot of the times they don't have locks there, and if they do, you have to pay for it. So it's always great to just carry a travel lock. I also leave these in my bags as well. So one of the things that I don't think I spoke about was this little backpack that I got. What is cool about this backpack is that it folds up into the square. You see, it's like the ultimate backpack for when you want to take day trips and you don't want to bring like a big bag. You just want something a little bit lighter. It's 1, 2, 3. It's like this whole foldable concept, which I really loved, and it's supposed to be really sturdy. And that's pretty much it. That's everything that goes on my carry-on bag. If you guys have any other suggestions of what I should be bringing to Bali, please let me know and I'll add that. I think it's important just to have something on your body that has like your really important stuff, like your wallet. I like to keep my passport in this bag as well. I have this lens to my camera. I'm actually using the camera now, but once I'm done, it will go in this bag. And just any lip balms and anything I like to keep in here. It has like a zipper pocket in the front and in the back, and it's waterproof. I have some remote chargers to my iPhone in here in this little baggy thing. Here's the remote in case I want to take some selfies or some self-portraits, but I don't have anyone to take photos. It's really important to just have like a remote control so you can kind of set it up on a tripod and take your own photos. I do highly recommend just wearing a fanny pack, even for days where you want to kind of travel, but you don't want to travel heavy, you want to travel light. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting videos every week, so stay tuned. Most of my videos are probably going to be Bali related. I'm not going to lie, because I'm going to be there for a whole entire month. So if you want to see any vlogs, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any notifications when I post. This is Tashay Loren and I am out. Peace.